Why do some people stay broke, even when they work hard every single day? Think about it. Two people can earn the same salary, live in the same city, and still end up with completely different lives. One becomes financially free, the other stays trapped. So, what's the difference? Most people think poverty is only about income, but many times it's about habits, because being poor doesn't always start in your wallet. Sometimes it starts in your mind. A lot of people spend money trying to look rich, instead of using money to become rich. The moment they get paid, they buy expensive clothes, new phones, fast food, things they don't really need. And modern life makes this even worse. Every app, every ad, every social media platform is designed to make people spend more money. And when people feel stressed, they often buy things to feel better. That quick feeling of happiness after shopping, that's dopamine. Your brain rewards spending, even when it damages your future. Now imagine this happening for years. Small daily spending, impulse buying, subscriptions you forgot about, credit card debt. It doesn't ruin your life instantly. It slowly destroys your future, piece by piece. And here's the scary part. Most people never learn how money actually works. Schools teach math, science, history, but almost nobody teaches how debt works, how investing works, or how wealthy people use money differently. Poor people usually trade time for money. Rich people build assets. An asset is something that makes money for you. Stocks, businesses, real estate, even YouTube channels. Meanwhile, many people spend their entire paycheck on liabilities, things that only take money away. And social media makes the problem even worse. Every day, people see influencers with luxury cars, designer clothes, perfect vacations. So they try to copy the lifestyle without having the income behind it. That creates a dangerous cycle. Spend money to impress people. Work harder to pay the bills. Feel stressed. Spend again, over and over and over. But the biggest difference between poor people and wealthy people is patience. Most people want fast results, fast money, fast success, fast pleasure. But real wealth is usually slow, very slow. Investing takes time. Building skills takes time. Growing a business takes time. And most people quit too early. Now listen carefully. Being poor is not always someone's fault. Some people are born into difficult situations, bad education, bad opportunities, bad environments. That part is real. But staying financially trapped forever often happens because habits never change. And the good news? Small changes can completely change your future. Learning one valuable skill, saving a little money, avoiding unnecessary debt, investing consistently. Tiny decisions repeated for years can create an entirely different life. And if you think money is only about working harder, then you need to watch the next videos on this channel. Because some financial habits look completely normal, but secretly keep millions of people trapped for life.